how this background is giving like my camera quality right now, my camera roll, like my video right now, you see? So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, because I'm giving you some ideas right now. I'm not playing with you all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Andirena, and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video. I am so happy. I am so happy. I don't know why, because I think, no, look, I know why. You know.
I love you, baby.
Oh my god, I'm loving it. You are new here. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for clicking on this video. And if you are old here, you are part of this family, I want to say thank you for being with me throughout the whole time. I love you. I'm so happy. If you follow me on Instagram, you could tell that recently for Valentine's Day, I took some bomb pictures, like some cute pictures. Like, cool. I don't know about you, how you feel about it, but to me personally, it was given. Girl, it was given. I was in love. I was with this wig. Yeah, like it was given. And I had this background, like this background going on for that pictures. And today, as time goes on, you're gonna see different bomb indoor pictures, because God here barely go out to take like pictures, and to be consistent with you guys when it comes to my pictures and also with my videos, I need a place because I'm done with moving my chairs to my living room. I'm gonna change the background and take some pictures for today, and that'll be it. Yeah, and let's see how it goes. And I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna show you guys with the next video how I edit my pictures and my my videos and all that. Hopefully, girl, hopefully. So take a quick pictures with this one, and after that I will, change my background into this one, and let's see, we compare the two and see how it goes. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm done taking pictures with the first one. I'm loving this. So I'm done taking pictures with the first, like this background. So I'm going to like take it out as I told you earlier. So I'm gonna take this down, but I'm gonna keep it because I might end up using the same background later on in the futures. So with my background, this is just aluminum foil. So just as time goes on, guys, I'm gonna like explain to you guys backgrounds, where I got my ideas from and all that, and how to plan ahead of time. Guys, to be honest with you all, this particular video I didn't plan ahead of time. I just like, because I know I was gonna I was gonna take pictures, but I figured out that why don't I like film this process and everything for you guys. You know what, I don't like my lighting right now, so just give me a second, let me fix this, okay? Yeah, because first I wasn't liking my lighting. I felt like it was too harsh on my face. I don't know, but I felt like it was too much. It was doing the most. Girl, you see I'm giving you bump ideas on how, to take some bump pictures with a bump, good background. You feel me? You see how this background is giving like my camera quality right now, my camera roll, like my video right now, you see? So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, because I'm giving you some ideas right now. I'm not playing with you all. Oh my god, why do I have this one stick here? Instagram teaches photos to be like bomb given. I dedicate this to you. I give this to you.
So this is the end results, and if you want to see how the pictures came out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and go watch my next video. See ya.